Okay, today I would like to show you how to modify the hoses with a new function, control polygon. Many times the hydraulic hoses are, connected from one point to another point, and they only have 2 points, but we have to make sure that they are, we can keep the minimum bend radius. In this case, we have a new function in the fluids tab called modify control polygon. And here we just select the wire, the curve. As you see now, SpaceCable gives us automatically 4 points, 4 pole starts for dynamic movement. And 2 of them, the first one and the last one, they are linear. It means we can only move them in this direction because we may not change the tangency. Okay, we have to stay tangent to the fittings, and here we have to stay tangent to the other fitting. It means that those 2 points, of the control polygon, you can only move in the direction of the tangency, but the other 2 points are free to move. Okay, we can move them in any direction. Okay, as you see, the control polygon, we can move them in any direction. And here, those points, we can only move up and down, so we can keep the tangency. But here, we also have another option called show dynamic minimum bend radius violations. When I switch it on, so the system will automatically show us where we have problems with the minimum bend radius. Here, at the moment, we have set every 25 millimeter, so every 2.5 centimeter, we checked on the curve the minimum bend radius violations. So I can change it, for example, check every 5 millimeter, just for you, or check every millimeter, and you will get more, checks. But every 5 millimeter will be okay. So here we see that we have the problem with the minimum bend radius in this area. So our aim should be that we just move the points by keeping the tangency, of course. We cannot destroy it anyway because it is fixed, and we just move those points, and to see if we get rid of the minimum bend radius violations. So maybe I move it down here, this one. Okay, and it still didn't help. Okay, so this one, maybe I should go up. Okay, here, as you see, now we got rid of the minimum bend radius problem. Okay, and as I said, I repeat it one more time, just when you dynamically move, and you will always see where are the bend radius problems. Now we got this one, for instance. This is, so this is now, let's say, a new way of changing the spline by at the same time seeing bend radius violations. Okay, thank you.